Okay, so we back as this, as you can see. What? Oh, the next task. He's just finished his auction. He's going to wash his hands in a sink. Sorry about what's going on with the screen right now. I honestly have no idea what is going on with the game. Clearly something is, but it does this sometimes. I've learned to do it. Oh, we'll finish the nanny job, which is good. Let's call, what's his name back? There we go. Put you down. Go to sink. And wash hands. 7 seconds. Okay, so while you're quickly doing that, I'm just going to quickly close the game, come back, and put it fixed. There. Not what I wanted to press. Okay, no. Okay, that doesn't work. So, I'm just going to open for this one little section of it, and then after this, we will finish it. So, what is next? Tack is wash hands and sink. Who just done that? Wash hands. Do the next nanny jobs as well. Pick up an infant. Your son leads Nanny Williams to the crib where their infant normally sleeps a lot. Wouldn't it be nice to pick them up? Your son is excited and worried. Nanny Williams will have none of hesitation. Other son, pick up an infant from a crib. Okay, so let's get her back here. That's not what I wanted to do. Go back home. And join you back at home. Hope that it doesn't go corrupt. Let's work. Come on. Pick up infant. There we go. How long is that going to take? Not long. See what you got to do now. What should I say again? Pick up infant that is complete. Relax with infant on a couch. 18 hours to do that. Okay. So build the real estate agency. Okay. Your sim is all cleaned up, so now you can start building a real estate agency. Build on the town map. Note, you can find the locked real estate agency on the right side of the map near the sim town site. Okay. Let's go into here. Sim town site. There it is. How long is that gonna take? 6 hours. Okay. Okay. So we'll end this part here. Or this not part, this section. And I'll join you guys afterwards when these two are finished. And yeah. See you in a bit.